I hope. Oh, why isn't this working? I hope y'all can hear this, cause I can't even see it. Oh, I got. Oh, I coughed. That was easy. Oh, that feels so weird. Alright, that's a terrible thing to happen. Anyway, yeah, but if y'all want to friend me on, let's say, Twitter, my Twitter usually has my Game Help. It's on the channels, Game Help, and I have a Facebook too, Mason. Look for a picture that says "Has a dragon." That's how you know it's me. But anyway, yeah. Stuff for the type of content. If you want to actually where I got the coins from a few days ago, these silver voice. Yeah, focus that. I think I've been too close the whole time. Right? I got this. And this. So I'm not really sure if I should be doing this one. I'll fire this out. There's a bunch of people. I can't really see the house. So it's like, I might post one today, just cause. But yeah, and I'm out. Look at the football game.